Okay, here we have a bright little KA Plus Zetec, 66 registered, 49,000 miles. Good service history with this one, in the ever popular Moondust Silver. Doesn't show the marks, you know, very popular colour. These are good news. I mean, they're essentially a Fiesta underneath, a little bit less expensive than a Fiesta of the same age, cheap to run, 1.2 litre. Good if you are young and are looking for a car which is cheaper to insure, because these will fit the bill. They're not really poor spec by any stretch of the imagination. They have air conditioning, you've got electric windows, electric mirrors. This example has covered 49,348 miles. There's your air conditioning, look down there. Little info screen there. Got Apple CarPlay as well, so you can sync your phone to the thing. But anyway, digressing somewhat, this is for sale for only $5,995. So, to coin a phrase, it's a lot of car for the money.